What if sneezing could teleport you anywhere? Imagine sneezing and suddenly finding yourself on a tropical beach, feeling the warm sun. Achoo! Now you're in the middle of a bustling city, surrounded by towering skyscrapers. With one sneeze, you could end up exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu. What if a sneeze took you to outer space, floating among the stars and planets? Achoo! Now you're in a serene forest, listening to the sounds of nature all around you. Teleportation via sneezing could turn every cold into an unexpected adventure. Subscribe for more wild ideas and fun scenarios.